Looking for the perfect gift that'll actually impress this holiday season? From fun tech to clever everyday finds, these ridiculously cool Amazon gifts are guaranteed to surprise anyone on your list. Yes, even the hard-to-shop-for ones. Get ready to find something you'll probably want to keep for yourself, too. All the links are in the description below. Your room can literally dance with you. These voice-activated rhythm lights sync perfectly with your music, pulsing and glowing in time with every beat. You can switch between 15 colorful modes right from your phone, setting the mood for parties, gaming, or late-night drives. The built-in 32-bit audio sensor picks up even subtle sounds for ultra-precise reactions. Compact, rechargeable, and super fun. Your space just got a vibe upgrade. This little gadget sticks wherever you need sound. It's a magnetic Bluetooth speaker that attaches to any metal surface, or even the back of your phone, to play crisp, full-range audio with rich bass. You can switch between game and music modes for the perfect sound experience. Built-in RGB lights add a splash of color while you listen. It even doubles as a phone stand for hands-free entertainment anywhere. Typing just got a serious glow-up. This retro-style mechanical keyboard brings vintage typewriter vibes with satisfying clicky keys and a beautiful wood-colored panel. The tactile blue switches make every tap feel crisp and precise, perfect for both gaming and writing. It connects wirelessly to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, keeping your desk clutter-free. And the soft LED backlight lets you work or play comfortably, even in the dark. Get ready for a blast from the past, literally. This mini arcade machine packs the classic thrill of Galaga and Galaxian into a handheld collectible you can play anywhere. Its full-color display and built-in speaker bring every pixel and sound effect to life. You can plug in headphones for solo gaming or power it up with batteries or USB-C. Small in size, but huge on nostalgia and fun. Take control of your entire setup with just one touch. This studio controller packs 15 customizable LCD keys that let you trigger commands instantly, whether it's starting a stream, muting your mic, or launching your favorite app. Each key gives visual feedback, so you know your action's done. It works seamlessly with platforms like OBS, YouTube, and Spotify. Perfect for streamers, creators, and anyone who loves smooth, one-tap efficiency. Your gaming setup deserves a centerpiece, and this RGB headset stand delivers. It's not just for holding your headphones, it's a full-on command hub. You get a built-in mouse bungee for smooth, drag-free control and a dual USB hub for extra gear. The weighted base keeps everything stable even in the heat of battle. And with customizable RGB lighting, it turns your desk into a glowing gamer's paradise. This ride takes balance to the next level. The self-balancing electric scooter lets you cruise up to 11 miles per hour with smooth, intuitive control. Its adjustable design fits riders of all sizes, while the rugged off-road tires keep you steady on any surface. You can manage everything from your phone through the smart app. Certified for safety and built for fun, it's freedom on 2 wheels. Hosting just got a major upgrade. This smart cocktail maker whips up bar-quality drinks in seconds. Think margaritas, mojitos, or whiskey sours with 0 effort. Just load your ingredients, pick a recipe on the app, and watch it mix like magic. It keeps your mixers chilled for hours and cleans up easily after every round. Perfect for parties, date nights, or whenever you want bartender-level drinks at home. Turn your ceiling into a cosmic masterpiece. This Galaxy projector brings the stars to life with stunning high-definition visuals that feel straight out of a planetarium. You can swap optical discs to explore constellations, planets, or swirling galaxies, all in soothing, soft light that helps you relax or fall asleep. It even includes timer settings and adjustable angles, perfect for meditation, bedtime, or simply escaping into the stars. Say goodbye to shaky footage. This 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer keeps your camera perfectly steady, giving you buttery smooth shots every time. It's lightweight, portable, and strong enough to handle most cameras and lenses with ease. You can shoot vertically for social media or horizontally for cinematic scenes, all with pro-level stability. Bluetooth shutter control and smart balancing make it simple to capture flawless footage anywhere. Music that listens to you. That's the idea behind these smart wireless earbuds. The case itself has a touch screen, so you can adjust volume, skip songs, or even find your earbuds without touching your phone. With active noise canceling and clear call filters, outside sounds fade while your voice stays sharp. The bass hits deep, highs stay crisp, and 5 EQ modes let you tune every detail. Your walls just got smarter and way more stylish. These wood-look hexagon lights blend natural charm with futuristic tech. You can control them by voice, touch, or even music. Watch them glow and pulse to your favorite songs. Adjust the warmth from a soft sunset glow to bright daylight in seconds. With simple stick-on installation and endless layout options, you can create your own glowing wall art anytime you want. Instant memories, no waiting required. This fun little camera snaps your favorite moments and prints them right on the spot. Each photo comes out on sticky-backed paper, ready to decorate your notebook, wall, or phone case. There's no ink or film to worry about, just vivid smudge-proof prints every time. Compact and colorful, it's the perfect travel buddy or party must-have for capturing memories that last. Bring your art to life right on the screen. This graphics drawing tablet gives you a smooth, paper-like feel with its anti-glare, full laminated display. The pressure-sensitive pen needs no battery, so it's always ready when inspiration strikes. With 10 customizable keys and tilt support, you can sketch, shade, and edit naturally. Connect it to your laptop or Android device and watch your creativity flow without limits. Tired of holding your phone while watching shows or scrolling in bed? This flexible gooseneck holder does it for you. Clamp it onto your desk, headboard, or nightstand, bend it to any angle, and enjoy hands-free comfort. The sturdy arm keeps your phone steady while soft silicone pads protect it from scratches. Perfect for reading, streaming, or video calls, all without lifting a finger. Create professional overhead shots without a studio setup. This dual-arm camera rig clamps right onto your desk, giving you a stable platform for cameras, phones, or lights. The adjustable height and width make it easy to find the perfect angle for cooking videos, unboxings, or live streams. With flexible ball heads, you can tilt and rotate freely. Strong aluminum build keeps everything steady, even with heavier gear. Turn your garden into a glowing wonderland. These solar lights feature double jellyfish and star-shaped tops that shimmer through 7 changing colors. By day, they look like delicate decorations. By night, they burst into a soft, colorful glow powered by sunlight. No wiring needed, just place them anywhere that catches the sun. Waterproof and weatherproof, they light up your yard beautifully through every season. Typing or gaming just got way more comfortable. This cloud-shaped wrist rest feels like a soft cushion for your hands, keeping your wrists supported through long hours at your desk. The memory foam molds gently to your wrists, while the smooth, breathable surface keeps things cool and dry. It's ergonomic, non-slip, and even comes with a matching mouse rest, perfect for cozy, cloud-like comfort in any setup. Stay organized and powered up wherever you go with this sleek, smart backpack. Designed for business, travel, or daily use, it keeps your laptop and essentials protected with its waterproof, scratch-resistant build. The 180-degree opening makes packing effortless, while multiple compartments keep everything neatly in place. A built-in USB port adds easy charging on the move, perfect for commuters and travelers who like function, comfort, and clean design in one. Never juggle multiple chargers again when you travel. This 6-in-1 universal adapter works in over 200 countries and lets you charge all your devices at once. With fast-charging USB-C and USB-A ports, plus a built-in AC outlet, it powers everything from phones to laptops with ease. Compact, powerful, and backed by GaN technology, it stays cool while delivering up to 70 watts. Your all-in-one charging solution for any trip. If you love handwriting but hate running out of pages, this reusable smart notebook is a total game changer. It feels just like writing on paper, but lets you instantly scan and upload your notes to the cloud with the companion app. When you're done, simply wipe it clean and start again. Durable, eco-friendly, and endlessly reusable. It's the perfect blend of old-school note-taking and modern tech. If you're ready to take your gaming or streaming setup to the next level, this wireless microphone makes it effortless. It delivers crisp, professional audio without the mess of cables, and even lets you tweak your voice using built-in AI effects. With customizable RGB lighting, adjustable noise cancellation, and easy plug-and-play control, it's the kind of mic that makes every stream, podcast, or recording sound next level. Rediscover your music with this high-resolution, lossless audio player. Equipped with professional DSP and dual DAC decoding, it restores every detail of your favorite tracks for a pure, studio-quality sound. A crisp 2-inch display shows song titles and lyrics, while the smooth scroll wheel makes navigation effortless. With a powerful battery and expandable memory up to 64 gigabytes, you can enjoy non-stop music wherever life takes you. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.